My name is Manjusha Karni, and I am Lakshita's mother. My daughter Lakshita studies in K1A in GII Smart Campus, Punggol. And we are in Singapore for the past 2 years, and she's been studying in the same school since her nursery, and now she's in K1. My husband had relocated to Singapore, and he went for a school tour, and he really loved the school. And he gave us the feedback that it is a perfect school for Lakshita, and it would be very nice if we enroll her over there. And then we took admission, and I didn't see the school till I went for the first day with her. And I was very happy at the school, and Lakshita herself was so happy because the school environment, the play area, and the most fabulous thing that GIS has are the teachers. The teachers are so friendly that every morning I just tell her, get up, you have to go to school, and she's like ready to go to school. School is never boring or an issue for us. She's excited and she's very happy with the school. Just the chalk and board teaching is not there in the school, which is the best part. And in the parent teacher meeting, the teachers told us that in GIS Smart Campus, they follow the Montessori plus teaching way of teaching the nursery kids. And they showed us the different things that they have, and every day when I go to the school to pick her up, she will tell me what activities they have done. And each week they have some day, sometimes they have a bubble day, they have sand day. So all these things keep her excited about what is going to happen in my class tomorrow. It keeps the enthusiasm up for the kids, and I think that's a great way of teaching these kids of such a small age. One day I went to the classroom with Lakshita. I had to give some document or something to the class teacher, and when I went into the classroom, the nanny came with 3-4 other kids in the classroom, and I have been a college assistant professor for, I've seen big kids in the classroom. Okay, so I went to the classroom that day, and these kids, they came into the classroom, and as soon as they came, they went to the arms of the teacher and they hugged her. And someone was talking, ma'am, you know what happened yesterday? And they were so enthusiastic to tell everything about what had happened with them in the last 24 hours with them to the teacher. It was so beautiful. The bond that happens between the teacher and the student right from the start of the day is so beautiful. The teaching point of view, very good. The teachers are good. The office staff has been good, and everything. I mean, the school infrastructure, the sports facility, the ground, the activities that are carried out. And even though my child is in K1, but I can see that there are many webinars which are carried out, and different competitions which are carried out. We get emails about it. Though my child is in K1, but I know for the other children, there are many other extracurricular activities which are being carried out, which is very good. And yes, I will definitely recommend this school to others also.